Well, here it is. 12 hours after the big storm began, which was almost a perfectly level backyard yesterday with about 2 inches of snow. Now has about 3 or 4 feet by the metal shed. And the corner of the fence has got about 3 feet. Front of the neighbor's garage about 3 feet. And the big drift down at the bottom of the stairs. Oh, it's too cold to be out here, man. Oh well. Let us try the front door next and see how that looks. I don't know. Wow, look at that curved one over here. Holy mackerel. Wow, that must be about, I don't even know how high that one is. That's about 4 or 5 feet tall. Doesn't look much on the level, but it was blowing like crazy yesterday. The wind was up at 70 miles an hour at times. We shall try the front door next. After we pass through the Warren house. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh boy. Hey. Storm door looks like something from a Christmas card or something, huh? There's a little peek hole through it here, but I don't think you can see through it. Well, let's see what it looks like out here. Holy moly. Alright. Hey, give me a smile!
I didn't think it was that bad by me. It took 2 hours, but it's
Yeah.
3.5, but we're here 5 feet over here.
Yeah, wow. I'm gonna be out there. I'll be out there in a little bit.
Not heavy.
Yeah, wow. Oh, this is bad. Wonder who that is.
Oh, that's not pasta?
No. All right, we're heading for the garage, and we're going to see what it looks like through the big door after you turn the light on. Raise it. Yeah, probably be taking this thing out. Holy moly! Oh my God! We're in trouble, Elaine. Snow, shit. You ain't going nowhere for a long time. That's about 3 foot high here in one part of it.
That's what I said in the corner. That's when we get the leaves like that.
Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. Car don't look bad. Your truck don't look bad. But it's about 18 inches or more at the corner there. And about 15 over here. About 4 foot over there. Wow. This really looks interesting here. I know he was doing this like 5 o'clock this morning. He's got a wall of snow there. Well, let's see here. I'll go back in the garage here. And somebody hucked my measuring stick. Ah, darn it. Wow. Yeah, I don't want to turn off the camera because these digital files creates another file, so let's leave it run for a minute. See if that yardstick's over by that rocking chair. It's an orange yardstick. How about the metal one? Not even up on the ledge? Up on the ledge up there? Some high up on the ledge? I guess we're not going to find a yardstick. Normally 2 or 3 of them falling on you whenever you need them, but don't need them. Let's just see how much a broomstick throws in there. Aha! That's pretty far. It's like more than 20 inches. Yeah, that's pretty far too. Wow. Huh. Pretty interesting.